Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a swatch video of the new LORAC Lux Diamond palette. And it's like this on both sides. I like it. I like those kinds of shapes. It kind of reminds me of like Mad Men mid-modern century-ish with a little star, at least to me. And there's a lot of mattes and a bunch of glitters and shimmers in here, so I thought this would be a good palette to do swatches. And I'm just going to do it row by row. And this first row is, we have, it looks like some shimmers on the end, one matte, and some glitter. And this first shade is Carrot. Ooh, that feels really buttery. And it's just a nice beigey color. Then we have Diamonds. Ooh, that's really freaking pretty. It's like a goldy beige color. I would rock that color. And then this next color is a glitter. This is Radiant. And that's that one at the top. It looks like a goldy shimmery color. And the follow, it swatched a lot better than I thought it was, so. And then the next shade we have is VIP. And that's more of a cream shimmer. I'm loving these so far. And the last shade in the first row is Krystal. And these all feel really smooth. And it's that last one, it's like it leans orange brown shimmer. So yeah, I'm loving that row. And then the next row we have Elegance. And that's like a matte brown. Then we have Grand. It's more of a deeper brown. Then we have Posh. These are really good like pigmentation. I'm like doing one swipe. The next shade is Fifth Avenue. And that's more of a kind of a brick red brownish color. And then we have Elite. And the next row looks like mostly glitters and then one shimmer on the end, and what it looks like to me. And the first shade is Ritzy. Ooh, that's a really pretty gold. And the next shade we have is Cushion Cut. Ooh, that's like a nice pink. The next shade is Glamorous. That looks purple in the pan. It's like a pinky purple kind of duochrome-y shade. That is so freaking pretty. And like the glitter's really finely milled too. So I like that, and you don't like have huge chunks of glitter falling out. The next shade is Extravagant. And that's like a really dark, it's kind of an orangey brown, orangey red-ish. And the last shade in that row we have is Lavish. And it's just a nice, it's kind of satiny. It's not really matte. It's not too matte, but it's not really shimmery either. It's like kind of in between. And then the last row, the first shade is Exclusive. Then we have Rich. It's kind of a green olive color. Then we have Luxury. It's kind of a purple, eggplant-ish color. Then we have 2 shades left. The next one is Ruby. That's a really pretty red color, like a deep red, like kind of crimsonish. And then the last color is Caviar, and I assume this is going to be a matte black. Yeah. Oh wow, that is one swipe, people. That is one freaking swipe. So these are really freaking pigmented, and I'm so happy that I got this palette because this is totally worth it. So let me know if you have this palette and your opinions. I almost dropped my freaking palette, but these are the colors right here. And thanks, and remember to subscribe. Bye.